If you're looking for the absolute best Progressive Nitrous Controller on the market, you've come to the right place. This is the Maximizer 6. The Max 6 includes industry-leading safety features that maximize your tune-up while keeping your engine and wallet safe. This Progressive Nitrous Controller can operate up to 4 stages of nitrous based on either time, RPM, miles per hour, throttle percentage, or boost pressure. Whether your engine is naturally aspirated or forced induction, gasoline or diesel, the Maximizer 6 is the unrivaled choice for any nitrous application. What sets the Maximizer 6 apart from other Progressive Nitrous controllers are its safety features. The Max 6 monitors throttle percentage, engine RPMs, nitrous PSI, boost or pan vacuum, and 3 other user-defined sensors to ensure that your engine is in the correct state to accept nitrous. If the Max 6 detects any condition outside of the safe range, it will shut down or pull back nitrous flow to protect your engine from harm. The Maximizer 6 can also monitor the engine's AFR. As bottle pressure drops toward the end of a run, the Max 6 will automatically adjust the solenoid output so you maintain a consistent and safe AFR. The air-fuel ratio safety cutoff limits are user adjustable, so the controller will completely shut off nitrous flow if the AFR goes outside the user-defined limits. The Max 6 is typically set up and tuned through an easy-to-use Windows-based laptop program. However, we offer an optional 4-inch touchscreen display that can be connected to view and adjust common tuning parameters on the fly without needing a laptop. The Max 6 can even data log all inputs, including the 3 user-defined inputs, so that you can review essential data from your previous runs. This controller even has enough internal memory to store over 100 quarter-mile runs before moving them to a laptop. If you want to get the absolute most out of your nitrous system, this is the controller for you. If you have any questions about this, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.